How to fix nearby friends on the Facebook not showing. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or any Chrome that you are using, and here you have to search for the nearby friends on the Facebook. Now once you are in here, you have to scroll down and click on the how to fix nearby friends not showing on the Facebook. Here is all the procedure that how you can fix this problem. In this, the option allows you to share your location with each other by turning on the nearby friends location history. It will be turned on. If you turn off the location history, the nearby friends will not be showing. Here is the few options, you have to follow these. Once you follow this, you have to go and refresh your Facebook page. So yeah, this is how you can fix nearby friends on the Facebook not showing.